Today we're at the Terminator 1 lookout at Kicking Horse Resort in Golden, BC, Canada, and it's breathtaking. So let's go. made it to the top of Terminator Peak 2. I don't know how long it took me for right now, but the top is breathtaking. There are some forest fires, so it's definitely hazy, especially out this way at the top. I do believe, and there's quite a few flies up here too, so just keep that in mind. There's a lot of flies up here. I think this trail is a lot easier than Terminator 2 for the fact that it's just, I feel like it's not as steep of an incline. It has more horizontal path, but it's longer, so keep that in mind. And I'm still out of breath. We did just do Terminator 1 as well. And it didn't take too long to get up here. I still have to go back down, and I'll tell you at the end how long it took. But I thought I'd just do this little review at the top now that I'm here. And for those who have accessibility needs, this is not the hike for you. Neither is the other hike. No to small children as well. If you're not fully capable, and oh my goodness, these flies are huge. They just landed on my camera. I wish you could see them. They're like that big. They're massive. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking. Anyways, yeah, if your kids can't fully, I'd just leave it for older kids. If you're gonna bring your kids out to any of these, they have to be able to fully capable of climbing on their own, no assistance. But it's definitely worth coming up and seeing. I do know the trail goes a lot along further, but we're not gonna do that today. We're just gonna come and sit at the peak and then head back down. Mainly because the gondola closes at 4 o'clock, so we have to make sure we get back in time to go down. So, yeah. We did from the start of the trail, which is right next to the gondola. You make a right once you get off the gondola, to Terminator Peak 1 and down from Terminator Peak 1. It took us a half an hour to do. From there, we started to walk towards Terminator Peak 2, up and back down, and then we kind of cut out near the resort where the food is. That took us an hour to do. So in total, it was an hour and a half that we did for both the peaks. Now we were going at probably a quicker pace than most, but that's because we wanted to do both. And then we went and did a little short hike up to another peak. That was kind of where we started next to the gondola. And yeah, it's very steep climbing, Definitely, like I said before, no small children or anything like that. And yeah, both of them I'd say were moderate. They're not where you're scrambling or anything like that, but it's still steep, and if you're afraid of heights, it's definitely not the hike for you. So hopefully you've liked this video, so please like and subscribe. Thanks.